By 2025, the UAV market is set to reach a staggering $42.8 billion. This growth isn't surprising given the versatile applications of UAVs, spanning military use to food delivery. Notably, recreational drones have also taken flight, like the affordable model priced at around $50. Weighing just 0.35 ounces, slightly more than a matchbox, it boasts a gyroscope, accelerometer, and 3 flight modes. Even beginners can swiftly grasp its operation. With a 100 mAh battery, it offers about 8 minutes of flight time, recharging in roughly 30 minutes. This miniature marvel is ideal for indoor enjoyment, enabling practice before stepping up to more substantial models. Additionally, 4 spare blades are included, safeguarding against any unfortunate crashes. In 2021, the realm of anti-stress gadgets like simple dimples, puppets, and spinners has flourished, expanding our lexicon and consumer choices. The market saw a staggering 16-fold surge in puppet sales alone. This surge has motivated global designers to craft their unique stress relief trinkets, capitalizing on the trend. Advocates of these toys assert an impressive 80% stress reduction, obtainable for a mere $4. By engaging restless hands, these gadgets offer respite for an overwhelmed mind, promising tranquility. Nonetheless, it's unclear how they address the remaining 20% of stress. This dynamic industry mirrors our desire for moments of serenity amid modern haste, evident in the diversity of novelties catering to our universal need to unwind.
The UAV market never fails to impress, with experts projecting its value to skyrocket to a staggering $56 billion by the year 2026. In this cutthroat industry, bold slogans are the norm, but amidst the competition, one device stands out as a true game-changer. Marketed as a revolutionary flying camera, this lightweight drone weighs a mere 125 grams and boasts compact dimensions of 127 by 81 by 36 millimeters. Its portability is unmatched, easily fitting into a backpack or even a purse. With just a single charge, it delivers an impressive 20 minutes of flight time. The controls are remarkably user-friendly, allowing it to take off effortlessly from the palm of your hand and execute breathtaking maneuvers. Equipped with Wi-Fi, it flawlessly transmits high-resolution photos of up to 4,000 by 3,000 pixels and videos with resolutions of up to 2704 by 1520 pixels. While some tech-savvy buyers managed to snag this innovative drone for a budget-friendly $300 through Indiegogo, it is currently listed at $590 by Amazon sellers. Now let's delve into the remarkable world of smart mirrors. This cutting-edge mirror, which made its debut at the electronic show CES, is now accessible to everyone in 2 captivating variants. The first variant measures 82.5 centimeters and carries a price tag of $800, while the larger model spans 152 centimeters and is available for $1,000. Both versions are equipped with 4 speakers, a user-friendly touchscreen display, and seamless Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. You can effortlessly showcase images from your Android or iOS smartphones on the mirror. Additionally, the mirror offers the flexibility to connect Bluetooth headphones or speakers, enhancing your overall experience. It comes preloaded with essential apps like a browser, calendar, weather forecast, email, and clock. Moreover, you have the freedom to expand its functionality by downloading additional apps from the extensive Google Play Store. Notably, the mirror also supports voice control, introducing a delightful and interactive element to your day-to-day activities. Enhance your gaming, movie watching, or work sessions with this incredible stand. It's the ultimate companion for snack enthusiasts. Choose from 4 versatile modules, including a self-balancing cup holder and a snack bowl, to elevate your experience. The stand comes equipped with a USB Type-C port for hassle-free gadget charging, while the lid's backside boasts armrests for added comfort. At just $90, this stand offers unbeatable value. Thanks to its state-of-the-art gyroscope system, your cup will remain perfectly upright, regardless of the surface's texture or unevenness. The anti-spill mechanism ensures your drink stays put, providing an extra layer of security. The 4 independent modules allow for complete customization. Need extra storage? Simply place your cup or beverage in the snack module and utilize the spacer to divide it as desired. This stand's sleek and stylish design guarantees longevity, making it a durable investment. Whether it's your bedroom, living room, RV, car backseat, or even outdoor activities like picnics or jacuzzis, this stand is the ideal addition to any space. Approximately 30% of the world's population is unsatisfied with their sleep and believes they suffer from insomnia, as indicated by international studies. In fact, there's even a term coined for those living in a constant state of tension manager syndrome. The question arises, how can we improve our sleep and wake up feeling refreshed? Luckily, there is an intriguing solution available in the form of a gadget. Simply hold this device in your hand and it will work wonders for your brain, aiding its transition into an optimal sleep state. This groundbreaking gadget achieves its magic through the use of microcurrent pulses that emit specific frequencies, which your brain gradually synchronizes with, resulting in better sleep and reduced inner tension. The added bonus is that this gadget boasts an impressive battery life of up to 20 hours on a single charge. Furthermore, it also doubles as an anti-stress toy, providing even more value. With its convenient casing, this sleep-enhancing marvel can be yours for the affordable price of $45. This wireless gem is designed to be the perfect travel companion, offering a compact size of 9 by 20 centimeters. It's an ideal choice for hikes or train rides, weighing just over a kilogram. The fan stands out with its impressive 48-hour operation time on a single charge, thanks to its powerful 16,000 mAh battery. What's more, the battery also serves as a convenient power bank, featuring USB and USB Type-C ports. Enjoy optimal airflow, the fan's 180-degree rotation range, and choose from 4 different speeds to suit your preferences. To add a touch of charm, the manufacturers have included 3-tone warm ambient lighting. For ease of use, the fan comes with a remote control that operates within a 10-meter range. This travel-friendly device includes a handy travel case and comes at an affordable price of just $90. Stay cool and comfortable wherever you go with this remarkable wireless fan. This US company proudly presents the world's coolest portable wireless stereo speakers. These speakers boast an impressive range of up to 15 meters, whether used individually or in tandem. On a single charge, enjoy up to 18 hours of uninterrupted playtime, a feat that truly stands out. With a robust power output of 5 watts per speaker, they surpass similar products in terms of volume, ensuring a captivating audio experience. Enhanced by built-in subwoofers, music enthusiasts can revel in a truly immersive bass encounter. For added convenience, these speakers come with waterproof polycarbonate cases and magnetic attachments for secure placement on any metal surface. Additionally, a silicone pouch featuring a ring enables effortless attachment to backpacks or bikes. Recognized as finalists in the esteemed IF Design Award, these speakers are the epitome of intelligent design. All these remarkable features are available at an astonishingly affordable price of around $50. Unleash the power of this extraordinary health tracking ring designed to revolutionize your well-being. It's not just a regular accessory, it's a comprehensive health companion. With advanced capabilities, it monitors sleep quality, blood oxygen saturation, and enhances your biorhythms for optimal performance. For fitness enthusiasts, it goes the extra mile by accurately counting calories and featuring an optical heart rate monitor. But that's not all. It also empowers women with its menstrual cycle tracking functionality. offering personalized predictions based on stress levels and other factors. Crafted in 8 sizes and 5 stylish colors, this lightweight ring weighs a mere 4 to 6 grams and boasts an impressive battery life of up to 7 days. It's a testament to true engineering excellence. And it's yours for just $300. Elevate your health journey and experience a holistic approach like never before with this extraordinary device. Discover an exciting smartphone upgrade that instantly transforms your device into a fully functional teleprompter, revolutionizing your presentations and content creation. With exceptional compatibility, this upgrade seamlessly works with various tablets, DSLR cameras, and even the iPhone 7 Plus, catering to a wide range of users. Experience unparalleled convenience with the included Bluetooth remote control and dedicated app, offering effortless setup and customization. Adjust the font, scrolling speed, and margins with ease, ensuring optimal performance. Plus, take advantage of the cloud storage service, Dropbox, to securely store your files and access them from anywhere. In addition to the core features, the package includes 13 mounting rings for versatile setup options, a remote control for convenient operation, and a cleaning kit to maintain the teleprompter's pristine display. All of these incredible features can be yours for an unbeatable price of just $100. Upgrade your smartphone today and unlock a world of possibilities for professional presentations and captivating content creation. Compactness is appreciated by many, and this portable printer fits that bill perfectly. It effortlessly slides into your backpack, ready to go. With a single charge, it can print up to 130 sheets, making it a reliable companion. The printer utilizes a 4 thermal paper and supports various operating systems like iOS, macOS, Android, and Windows 7 or higher. Connect it seamlessly via Bluetooth or USB, and enjoy the benefits of the dedicated editing application that comes with it. To sweeten the deal, the package includes a storage bag and 5 sheets of thermal paper. However, it's worth noting that the charging cable adapter is not included, which might be a drawback for some users. Despite that, this printer stands out as it is 80% smaller than its counterparts, making it an ideal choice for frequent travelers who frequently handle important documents such as contracts and receipts. Grab this remarkable gadget for just $160, and a block of A4 thermal paper will cost you around $28. Combining the functionality of a suitcase and a wardrobe, this unique development is set to revolutionize the way we travel. The creators tout it as every traveler's best friend, and for good reason. When folded, it takes the form of a regular suitcase, standing at 75 centimeters tall. However, a simple lift of the upper part unveils its true potential, a spacious wardrobe towering at 130 centimeters. Boasting a generous capacity of 86 liters, this hybrid marvel features 6 shelves, providing ample space for organizing belongings. Not stopping there, the top section doubles as a convenient snack table or mini workspace. Weighing in at around 9 kilograms, it ensures easy mobility with its 4 wheels and telescopic handle, which offers 3 height settings. Made with innovative patented technology and engineering excellence from Germany, this remarkable creation also includes 8 special bags. The question remains, is the price tag of $952 justified for this all-in-one travel solution?